Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial on Photoshop from Wilmington Graphic Design. And we have a t-shirt design here that we've created, and I would like to show you one last thing I'm about to do. It is going to be removing the background so that we can put it on any color shirt we want. Now I don't want it to be a perfect cutout because we have light colored words here and we might have a light colored shirt, so we don't want that. What we do want is to have it trimmed with a little bit of the background in there and then faded. So I'm going to do one with a sticker, I'm going to do one with a faded background that's feathered, but the one that's a sticker, we're going to have it rounded just a little bit. So here we go. First we're going to select the subject. Now back in the day, this was very intricate. All you have to do nowadays is click select subject. Watch this. Processing your image on your device. Change settings and preferences. Image processing. And done. Look how it selected our image, selected our subject. Okay. Now what I want to do is, that's a little tight. So we're going to go up here to select. We're going to hit modify. We're going to expand. I'm going to expand it about 20. Let's see. Oh no, we need more. And the way I thought to do this was change this to change this to pixels. Then go and click your eyedropper tool. Right click on your eyedropper tool, or you can not right click, but you can right click. Hit Shift I and it'll cycle through them until you find the ruler. All right, you see I've already done a little bit of your last measurement will be there. So I measured from here out, and that's around 143, I believe. Let me see. Where is my information? 143. Okay, I tracks the selection or transform width and height. It's not actually telling me which one is the click and drag the ruler endpoint alt to create an angle. Okay, so we're gonna put it, I'm gonna put it around 50. That's gonna be my I'm gonna put it at 125. 1 second. I go here, modify, expand, 150. All right, see that? Now when I we're gonna go to 100. I'm gonna do 100. I'll show you why. Expand. 125. 125. There we go. That's a good one. When you think about a sticker, it still has outline of it, right? And then what we want to do is we want to right click and we want to copy. And we're going to label this sticker. Alright, so that's one. Now let's remove that and we'll see. Put the white under there and we'll see what it looks like on a white. See? Now, as you can see, it's real blocky. We'll fix that by control clicking on the layer thumbnail and going up here to select, modify, and we're going to smooth it. We're going to smooth it around 40. It smooths over all of the, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this. It smooths over all of the corners. See how smooth it makes it? On every corner it makes it smoother. Smoother. Now, we're gonna go back and we're gonna cut it again. Why? Because we have some missing pieces here. So let's delete that sticker. Make this visible. That invisible and try again. Oops, what happened? Oh, we were still in our Ruler tool? How did that happen? All right, let's go here to our marquee tool. Right click and copy. Now let's see. Okay. Still looks bumpy a little bit, but it's exact. And you know what? I'd like to keep it there. Let's back up a little bit. In fact, when you right click here to inches, I like to keep it around 30%. 30% shows about around what an average inch, what an exact inch looks like. So this is pretty much what it's going to look like, and I think that's pretty good. Doesn't look too black. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to control click again, right? Then we're going to hide this one, go back to our original. Now we're going to feather. I want to feather at least 50. So we're going to go up here. In fact, we're going to right click, hit feather. 50. Okay. And what that does, watch this. Copy. Look at that. How beautiful that comes out. You still have the fullness and richness of the background solidly behind the artwork as it was intended, as it was created, but you also have the opportunity to introduce another background behind it. Okay, see, such as, let's do a pink. What if we have pink, right? Let's say hot pink. I know we don't want to do hot. Let's try something else. Let's do a powder pink. Boom. You see? Now we're on a powder pink shirt, but we're still DIY with Green Thumb in its original colors. See? I don't have to change it, and it pops out. It looks like a giant, I would say, shadow, but it still remains that it's what we want, the original colors. And we could lighten that up a little bit by bringing in the clip. So let's try that. Let's go back when we expand it, right? So I'm expanding it. Now I can do something called contracting it. So let me contract it by, we went out 125. Let me contract it by 50. See, now I have it tighter. Now, when I feather, I'm still gonna feather 50. Watch this. Let's copy that. Always copy, we don't want to cut. This is the original with background. This is gonna be t-shirt. Up here is sticker. And this might even come out even better than the sticker. We might have to contract the sticker because the sticker may be a little thick. All right, let's see what it looks like without the background. That's a lot cleaner. See what it looks like on pink. You can see more pink, less black, or less of the background, yet it still didn't take away from the original image. Now let's see how much it did take away the original image. We're going to put this behind here, all right? And then when I click this, if the edge of the design, which is right here, gets any darker, that means, and I'm not talking about the edge here, like the background, I'm talking about the actual art. If it gets any darker, that means we clipped part of it, and I know it will. Let's see. No, I don't see too much of a difference. We did a good job, huh? We did a good job. No, I see right here something on this leaf right here. Yeah, right there. But overall, I think we did a pretty good job of feathering as well as keeping the background intact. Now we could always, cut it close and then add a background, but it's not the exact same, I would say, pattern, because I have a pattern back here. If you can look closely, there's a pattern back here. See that? So I wanted to maintain the pattern. We could always put the same color in, but it wouldn't be the same. All right. I like to maintain the pattern. Okay. So yeah, that's how we do it. That's how you make a t-shirt design transparent while maintaining the original design solid background in the inside. Okay, and here we go. That's it. Here goes the sticker. I still think that's a little much. Hold on. Let's click this and let's bring it in a little bit. Contract by 50. Want to Control Shift I, and it selects everything else, and then we're going to delete. That's a lot closer. It doesn't look right. It looks kind of like I just outlined it, but here it looks intentional that I had. Yeah, I'll leave it here because it looks like I'm going into a world, right? Another world. Here it looks like, how do I go back? Oh gosh, why? Really? Where's my undo redo? Hold on. Oh wow. What did I do? Anyhow, here it looks like I just, outlined it. But here looks like we're actually going into another world, like another dimensions in there. Okay. Okay. So that's the sticker. This is the t-shirt. And I'm going to give this to my client. Sticker, t-shirt. I supply for an extra fee of the actual original, so you don't have to worry about me holding you back from going to another printer. I don't hold you back. That's one thing about Wilmington Graphic Design. We don't hold you back. We add a little fee because it's our original artwork. We don't lose customers. We create clients, lifetime clients, relationships. So have no fear. Wilmington Graphic Design is hero. Y'all have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon. I also want to click this and drag this down, maybe? Yeah, move it down. Boop. Get that nice line. Good line. Get down. Find the other line. There we go. Okay. Y'all have a great day, and it's been a pleasure. It's always a pleasure designing with you guys. It's always a pleasure seeing you. Or you can just click this, click that, and then go up here and go boom and boom. Yeah, alignment tools. I love them. Okay, I wonder what it looks like on green. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Green. Ooh.